So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about two job roles in Amazon. One is a technical role and one is a non-technical. So whatever job you are looking for, this video can be useful for you. And for these roles, freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So watch this video till the end. We will cover eligibility, how to apply, and the interview related questions and answers. But before starting today's video, a very important update that I would want to give you if you are my subscriber or viewer of my channel. So some of the videos in YouTube are coming up where they are telling that YouTube is updating certain policies, and according to those policies in future only subscribers will be able to comment on videos. So suppose if you are watching certain video of a channel, if you are a subscriber, then only it will be possible for you to chat with that YouTuber. Another thing is advantages can be given to early subscribers. So creator can make videos for first 1000 or first 10,000 subscribers and can give do giveaways also to first 1000 or first 10,000 subscribers. So that option will be there for the creator. So I'm telling you this because it is really important for you to know that it will be very important for you to subscribe to that channel which is useful for you, because these kind of benefits will now be available in future for subscribers only. So if you are a regular viewer of my channel, or even if you have landed to my channel for the first time, do watch the content of my channel, and if you feel that the content is good for you and is valuable for you, so please do subscribe to it, because when these features will be enabled, then it will be really difficult for non-subscribers to ask me questions or get benefits from this channel. So this update I am giving to you. Those who do not think that I am telling correct things, they can watch these videos. Certain videos have already been uploaded. So please do subscribe and press the bell icon. And I am also planning to make a proper timetable, in the sense that I want to, really make things streamlined for all my viewers. So I'll upload certain technical videos on certain days at certain time only, and non-technical videos also accordingly. Just like you watch a certain channel like Sony TV or Colors TV where the program schedule is fixed. But first, I just want to know for that what kind of jobs you are interested in. If you are interested only in technical jobs, please write in the comments box as A. If you are only interested in non-technical, write as B, and if you are interested in both types of jobs, write C. So this will help me to streamline the content of this channel, and I'll also prepare the timetable accordingly. So this is really important for me. So now let's start today's video. So first opening that I'm going to cover, this is for non-technical role. This is quality catalog. So this is not catalog associate. If you are thinking this is a different role, here you can be graduate in any stream, even technical and non-technical both are eligible. But you should have excellent communication skills for this, good knowledge of Microsoft Excel and time management. Regarding the job description, basically here you will have to check the quality of content on catalog, and you should be willing to work with sensitive issues, including but not limited to adult content, religious and philosophically sensitive issues, alcohol, tobacco, weapons, and other potentially offensive products. So these kind of catalogs you will be working with. So this is what you have to take care in this opening. So salary for this is between 2.5 to 3.5 lakhs per annum, and freshers can apply for this role. The interview rounds, first will be English grammar, round 2 will be analytical kind of questions, round 3 will be Version test, and round 4 the HR or manager interview. And the HR interview or the operations interview I have covered. Other, you already know, if you are a subscriber or a viewer, English grammar, analytical, you can watch the aptitude test. These kind of videos I have already uploaded. All these videos were sent aptitude, English grammar. So you can go to the description. I'm giving the links. You can prepare accordingly. Uh, Here, HR questions can be related to what was the toughest situation you were in and how did you deal with it. So they ask these kind of questions to check how you come out of a bad situation or tough situation, because here the content is such that they want to hire only people who are mentally strong. That is why they ask these kind of questions. Describe a situation when you had to take a decision against your boss or your professor or your colleagues. So this kind of questions to check how mentally tough are you. Then other questions could be why this role, why Amazon, these kind of questions. I've already covered them many times before, so you can prepare accordingly. Now the second job opening that I'm going to discuss today is for automation analyst. So this is basically a technical kind of role. So here IT background people, they are referring computer science or IT background people, BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, MSc. So they should have good communication skills, problem solving skills, and Excel skills are also required for this. So for that you can watch my video. And regarding the job description, this role would report to the operations manager, provide on time and accurate inputs to help make great pricing decisions. So this is this kind of role, and salary for this is between 3 to 5 LPA, which is pretty good considering that they want someone having 0 to 2 years of experience, so freshers are also allowed. Interview rounds: first round is the aptitude test, so that you can prepare. Round 2 will be technical in nature. Round 3 will be the HR or managerial interview. Now, for the technical interview, they first can ask you aptitude questions. They are mostly related to ratios and ages. So, one example I am taking. So they have asked this question: if A is to B is 1 is to 2, B is to C is 3 is to 2, C is to D is 1 is to 3, then find A is to B is to C is to D. So this is related to ratio. This is not a very difficult question. You can use these equations. So A is to B means A by B equal to 1 by 2. So that means B equal to 2A. Then you can find the relation between B and C. So B by C is 1.5. So B equal to 1.5C. So if you divide these two equations, so B by B will cancel out, 1 will be there. So A by C also you can find out 3 by 4. So now you know A by B and A by C also. So you can find A is to B is to C. So A is to B is 1 is to 2 and A is to C is 3 by 4. So you can write this 1 is to 2 is to 4 by 3. So but this is a ratio, so you cannot have ratio in this. So you can multiply this 3 by these two. So you can do this 3 is to 6 is to 4. Multiply the entire by 3 because it will not make any difference. So it will come out to be 3 is to 6 is to 4. Now C is to D is given 1 is to 3. So that means if C is 4, D is 12. So the total you can find A is to B is to C is to D is 3 is to 6 is to 4 is to 12. So this is how you can solve this question. So these kind of aptitude questions first they can ask you. Then they can ask you certain technical questions on regex, SQL queries. So SQL you can watch videos. I am giving the link in the description. This is not a difficult thing to learn. Some questions on groups and sets, Linux commands and XPath. So these kind of topics you need to prepare for this position. Regarding the HR questions, they can be pretty similar. I have covered them many times. Describe your resume, talk about your college project, why this role or why automation role, why Amazon, why should we hire you. So for this also video has been created. You can watch that video. Why should we hire you? Previous experience, if any. So these kind of questions can be asked. Now I'll show you how you can apply. So I'm giving these links in the description box. So you can just go there, read the job description by clicking here. And if you feel okay, you can just fill in this form. How did you read about this job? So you can write anything like others. You have read it on YouTube, fill in your details. All these things are easy. The only thing that is important here is if you are a fresher, so you can write total experience as 0 months. Are you working currently? You can select no. Notice period, can join immediately, whatever. Current employer, last employer. See, if you are a fresher, you can write in the employer where internship you have done. If you have done any internship, so you can write that company name, and in the current and monthly salary you can write as 0. This is not an issue, but you will have to fill that because asterisk is there, so you have to fill something. Then do you have any active backlogs? Depends on you. Are you willing to work overtime, rotational shifts? Can you relocate to the mentioned locations? So this role is for Chennai and Bangalore. So these kind of things you can write and attach your CV and photograph and just then submit. And if they shortlist you, they'll get back to you with the online test. So this is how you can fill all these three openings. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. As I have described, it will be very important for you to be a subscriber if you get genuine content from a channel. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.